I extend my heartfelt welcome to the Chief Guest, Mrs. Suryaprabha Korpade ma'am, and our Secretary, Mr. Ramesh sir, and the Principal of SRS, Mrs. Aditi Kumpar. Now, may I please request our Secretary, Mr. Ramesh Korpade sir, to welcome the Chief Guest with a bouquet. Welcome, ma'am, on the special occasion of 75th Independence Day. And I don't have to speak about the Chief Guest. We all know, and many of them you know since ages, that she's a kind-hearted lady, always having a sweet smile on her face, which encourages us to be happy and be in this family. So I welcome you, ma'am, for this occasion. Right. Just a small note which I wanted to share with you all. Teachers, you can take your seat right now. Uh, it's regarding this particular 75th Independence Day. I just heard the speech of Modi ji in the morning, and I guess we need to follow that as well, because we are the one who will be going ahead and nurturing the future citizens of this country. So I made a point to tell this here because, ma'am, all the students are there online and they are virtually viewing us all. So for the students also, what Modi ji said is, this year it is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, but he didn't tell us to stop here. His goal is for all the people that by the time we reach the 100th year of independence, we need to achieve certain things in our life for the country, for the nation. So it does not stop or start for this particular day. We have made a start, as last time we had made a start of Atmanirbhar Bharat. In the same way, he has taken a step for this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which will start today, but by the end of the 100th Independence Day, our country should be in such a position wherein we all, with the future citizens or with the youngsters which we have, we need to reach such a goal wherein we are the number one nation. That's what he said in the speech when he had the flag hoist. So just wanted to share that. Now, may I please request our Chief Guest, Mrs. Suryaprabha Ghorpade ji, to unfurl the national flag. Thank you, everyone. Now, may I please request the chief guest to take their seat so that we can start off with the cultural program. students on the stage, you can just move down, sit behind.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है आदिरा रमेश घोरपड़े। मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं स्वतंत्रता दिवस के उत्सव पर मैं आप सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में मैं कुछ कहना भी चाहती हूँ। आपको पता है, हमें आज़ादी ऐसे ही नहीं मिली है, इसमें बहुत सारे क्रांतिकारी अपना बलिदान दिया है। उसमें सबसे लीडर हमारी रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने बचपन में ही ठान लिया था कि वो अंग्रेज़ों को भारत से भगाएंगी। इसलिए उन्होंने तभी ही तलवारबाजी सीखनी शुरू कर दी और उन्होंने एक बड़ी लीडर का काम किया। उन्होंने वो इतनी लीडर थी कि उन्होंने अपना बच्चा अपने पीठ पे बांधकर युद्ध में गई और लड़ाई किया और उन्होंने अपने को हम कैसे भारत में जी रहे हैं, हमारे भारत में ऐसे क्रांतिकारी जन्मे हैं जिन्होंने हमारा भारत बचाया और हम ऐसे भारत में जन्मे हैं जहाँ इतने बड़े बड़े क्रांतिकारियों की भूमियाँ हैं और हम इतने अच्छी भूमि में जन्मे हैं। जय हिंद, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Adira. Now may I request the 10 staff of Kandu Residential School to please come on to the stage for the next performance of patriotic song.
ಮಣ್ಣು ಚಿನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನಾ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥ ಅಂದ ಇಂಥ ಚಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಸಾಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣು ಚಿನ್ನ ಓಹೋ ಕರುನಾಟಕವೇ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಕೂಡ ವರದಾನ ತಂದು ಕರುನಾಟಕವೇ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಕೂಡ ವರದಾನ ತಂದು ಹಸಿ ಹಸಿರಲಿ ಹನಿ ಹನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸಿ ಹಸಿರಲಿ ಹನಿ ಹನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆನಂದ ತಂದೇನು ಎಂದು ಎಂದು ನಾನೇ ಧನ್ಯ ವಿದೇಶ ಚೆನ್ನ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣು ಚಿನ್ನ ಈ ಜನ್ಮ ನೂರಾರು ನಾ ತಾಳಿ ಬರುವೆ ಈ ತಾಯಿ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗುವಾಗಿ ಇರುವೆ ಈ ಜನ್ಮ ನೂರಾರು ನಾ ತಾಳಿ ಬರುವೆ ಈ ತಾಯಿ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗುವಾಗಿ ಇರುವೆ ಕಣ ಕಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿ ಪರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ ಕಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿ ಪರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕಂಡೇನು ಎಂದು ಎಂದು ಅದೇ ನನ್ನ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಈ ದೇಶ ಚಿನ್ನ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣು ಚಿನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನಾ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥ ಅಂದ ಇಂಥ ಚಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಸಾಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ದೇಶ ಚಿನ್ನ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣು ಚಿನ್ನ
Thank you, teachers. Now may I please request our principal, ma'am, Mrs. Aditi Kumbar, to come and address the gathering.
Namaste and happy morning to one and all present here. Respected Chief Guest, Srimati Surya Prabha, Secretary, Mr. Ramesh Gaurpade, parents, teachers, all the staff members and the students of our school. Dear children, I was just thinking what I should be talking today because we have hoisted the flag and our teachers sung so well. Adira gave such a wonderful speech. And you all are also going to give so many programs now online. What should I speak? Should I be speaking about those who sacrificed for our country from 1947 and before? Or should I be talking about the heroes of now? I was just thinking about that. Then it struck my mind that let me tell something with which you take back something home to your life. Let me start with two ladies, that is Sindhu Tai, you must be knowing. and Mother Teresa, both of whom are known for their charity and taking care of people who suffer not only from HIV AIDS, but even tuberculosis, leprosy, and so many other diseases. These two ladies, Sindhu Tai and Mother Teresa, these are just examples I am giving, have been taking care of orphans more than thousands throughout their life and have served for our country. They have received so many awards. Second comes your favorite, Sachin Tendulkar and Mahi, or Dhoni as you call them. Both of them have been the great batsmen, and the other being, Mahi being the wicket-keeper batsman. Both of them have been playing for India and have won so many awards of India and abroad. Next, I can speak about the industrialists, Ambani ji and Tata ji, both being the MDs and the chairman of Reliance Industries and Tata Groups, eminent industrialists who are known and have been awarded by India and so many other honors. Then comes your favorite actors like Shah Rukh Khan or Amitabh Bachchan or Sanchari Vijay, who is a Kannada actor, and we also have John Abraham, who always denied to endorse the products which are not good for health. They didn't take millions or billions only to give the ads, especially Coca-Cola. They were offered, they rejected it because they didn't want it to earn money, but they are the successful actors. Lastly, I would like to give the example of MYG, and I would like to take Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Both these statesmen of our country have been eminent politicians and have been serving people till their last breath. So all these people whom I named right from Sindhu Tai till MYG and Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji and then Sachin Tendulkar, all of these leaders, including those who sacrificed their life for our country, may it be Bhagat Singh, Gandhi ji, Nehru ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, what is common in them? What is common in them? There is one thing which is common. Children, I am sure if you all were here, you would have guessed so many attributes or qualities of adjustment, of being positive, of not thinking, overthinking, of not or respecting. You would have come up with many answers, I know that. But what is common in all these leaders and your teachers who are hard workers, and even our MG in his absentia, Bhaji Ghorpade, and President Akka, Yashodhara Ghorpade, these leaders have one common positive energy that is called as attitude. Attitude, Drishtikona. How you see, how you look at things is what matters, children. Today you all are not there, I am missing you all, but please do write it down in your book that your attitude makes it all. A famous cricketer or industrialist or a politician. If your attitude is right, you are going to be the famous personality in the world. I am talking this on behalf of the school and management. Jyoti ma'am already told you about Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, which was flagged off by the Prime Minister of India on 12th March from Dandi March. He flagged off, he started it. You know why he started this? Again, to inculcate right values in all the children, all the adults, especially teachers. He has started this Amrut Mahotsav on 12th March 2021, and it ends next year, August 15, 2023. So in this Amrut Mahotsav, all the teachers have wonderful programs. You have competitions online, you have drawing, singing, and then even different games, children. You can also have online quizzes. You can also interact with international leaders. This is a Mahotsav. This is a fair. This is a Jatra, where all the teachers and people of the world are going to participate in what the country has started, so-called Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav. All of you can start participating, especially teachers, which is, we have it in National Policy of Education, wherein you can get into online and then register yourself and start participating, and you will be awarded and certified by the Government of India. You have to enter through this government.in. This is how you get into this Mahotsav. So by saying these few words and thinking that you are going to build a right attitude of love, care, confidence, positively, happiness, and then caring for the needy, by all such attributes, you are going to rectify your attitude. There will be mistakes, there will be flaws within us, but try to correct yourself, keep moving forward, and see one day you will be that Sachin and you will be that MYG. By saying these few words, I once again thank all those who are present here. Love you all, children. Have a wonderful day ahead and enjoy the online sessions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was truly inspiring and motivating for us. And 5 minutes, the journey from Mother Teresa till today, youth and children of the future. You have covered the journey so well. It was like, yes, we are in the nation wherein we have such great personalities, and we are the makers of the great personalities. Thank you so much for the inspiration, ma'am. And I'm sure all teachers are positively, truly motivated right now. As you said, we need to work on our NEP policies or various other values which are there, and including the children as well. Thank you, ma'am. Now, it said that a function is not complete without a dance performance. So right now we have the teachers come students of SRS to perform a patriotic song. Thank you so much, teachers. Yes, whatever I said is correct. A program does not come to an end without a dance performance and the music over here. So thank you, teachers. And yeah, we have come to the end of the program, that is the offline program. I would extend my heartful thanks to the chief guest, Srimati Surya Prabha Gorpadeji, to the secretary, Ramesh sir, and to our principal ma'am who has guided, supported us to carry on this function in such a smooth way, wherein I'm sure all the teachers plus the students and the parents are enjoying the Independence Day celebration. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being such a great support to all the teachers. And yes, to all the teachers, students, parents, the support staff, the technical staff, of course our music teachers, and special thanks to our dance teachers who have come forward on this special occasion with a song performance. Thank you one and all present over here, and I wish you a very happy Independence Day again. Now I would request the teachers to carry on with the online program with the welcome speech of Ritika. Thank you so much.